Hello, we are DIMA Building Innovators, and we have created a product that saves time and money during the early phases of the construction process. To give you a background on the early phases of the construction of wood properties, there are holes that are made for mechanical, plumbing, and electrical lines that will not be filled until later in the construction process. Due to OSHA requirements, these holes have to be covered throughout the construction process. The problem is that in current practices, they use general use PVC pipes that are not a direct solution to this problem. These PVC pipes are bought in long lengths and have to be cut down before they're installed. These PVC pipes usually don't fit very well inside the hole, so they may have wood chips, and this also allows the product to accidentally or purposely be removed easily and may create rework if they have to recut those holes for the mechanical, plumbing, and electrical lines. And the PVC pipes are usually a little big and tossed out at the end of the construction site, so they have a lot of material that is wasted. So the solution that my team has designed is shown here. Our product is a lot smaller, a lot easier to carry around and install. Our product can be drilled into the floor deck and act more as a permanent or stationary solution. Our product has a skirt so it can fit multiple sizes, but we also have bigger sizes for some of the bigger holes. Our product has a knockoff cap so it can stay inside the hole, and it can allow for more accurate alignment of the mechanical, plumbing, and electrical lines, and also add an additional fire protectant of the property, and we can produce multiple colors to distinguish between mechanical, plumbing, and electrical. Because of our design, we have a utility patent pending. So in terms of the market, we estimate roughly there are 350,000 wood properties built per year in the United States. The person responsible for filling these holes would be a subcontract construction company. A local company would be required to cover 1,000 to 4,500 holes per job site, depending on the size. So it can be a multifamily residential community, apartment complex, or a business. And they would have roughly 12 of these jobs per year. And currently, they don't reuse the PVC pipe, so there's a need for upwards of 54,000 placeholders for one subcontract company. And there are 100 subcontractors and 50 general contractors who have a need for this product locally. So our competitive advantage is that we are saving time and money during the construction process, so time in labor, so the preparation, installation, and removal. We are cutting the amount of waste by up to 80% because our product is 80% less smaller. Whether our product is reused or not, we would have 80% less material. So this is up to the length of 12 football fields for one job site alone. And we're reducing the amount of rework if the placeholder is removed during the process. So this could save one local company up to $252,000 per year. And the current method is using PVC pipes. Again, it's not really a solution, but it is a method, and they cost roughly $4.50 per unit to cover a hole. So in terms of our business model, we are working through our intent to purchase. We've been working very hard, and we have CHS Plumbing, and we are talking to Byron Johnson, the general manager, to get this signed, and hoping that we can have an intent of 5,000 to 15,000 units to purchase by the end of this month or early next month. We're also starting our pilot production validation program with 25 to 50 companies. And today our ask is for the certification process. We put $2,500 down for this process, but this allows us to use our product in the construction environment, and it could cost up to $20,000. And we're also asking that we get some money that could help us start our manufacturing process. By talking to a plastic injection molding company, we could sell or produce this product for $2.70 per unit. And by talking to general contractors, we could sell it for roughly $5 per unit, so only 50 cents more than the PVC pipes. And because of the plastic injection molding, it can be fairly scalable, and we could produce up to 50,000 of these units or more per month. So our first year strategy is to target 5 customers and sell 30,000 units and have a 1-year sales projection of $150,000. So in terms of our team, I'm Andres. I am a graduate student in engineering. We have Stephanie, who has been helping us with our marketing, and she is an undergraduate student. David and Estelle have been with us in this project since the beginning, and they're both ASU alum and graduate students at Regis. Manny is the subcontractor who has been guiding us and telling us exactly where the need is and how our product is working in an environment in terms of our prototype. And then Aaron is our mechanical engineer who has been designing our product and getting us through the certification and starting the manufacturing of our product, so we could easily include this in a plastic mold injection. We've earned $10,000 in 2019, of which we mostly used for our patent, so filing our patent and having lawyers, and then we also used to form our LLC. We've been very blessed this past year, and we're looking forward to the future. So check out our website and contact us if you have any questions. Thank you for listening.